Alrighty, you're back with us on the
We're
Morning
live,
Show.
okay.
Yes, we're quite excited about this topic. It's
Yes.
because, well, for me, a disclaimer, I'm not a big sports person, but I observe that there's always this fascination with collecting jerseys, right, Tom? It's like if you love something so much, you start collecting the things. So that's why today, as you can see behind us, we're going to talk all about the Indonesian football team jerseys, which is super special, right?
Yes. Do you have any collection?
No, I don't.
Okay. I used to have several when back in the 90s.
Yes.
Because I was a big fan of Michael Jordan at that time.
Oh,
So,
right.
yeah,
What's his number again?
23.
23, exactly.
And then he changed into 45, if I'm not mistaken. And then he changed back to 23.
Yes.
All right, now let's explore more about Indonesian football team jerseys and talk about the recently launched jersey design competition, which has sparked creativity across the nation. And now let's find out and welcome KJTI founder Dwi Joko Bintoro, as well as KJTI member and women's soccer enthusiast Gerardo Gusti. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Selamat pagi.
Good morning.
Great to have you here.
Yes, thank you. Thank
So before we start talking about the jersey itself, we have a collection here, over there, and also here.
Yeah.
Could you please explain one of them or two of them that are special to you? Maybe Gerardo, you can start first.
For me, of course, I like 2010.
This one.
Which one is it?
Which one is this?
The last one.
Oh, that one.
This one.
That one, yeah?
This is why?
2000 and?
2010.
2010. I will
All right.
show you this because,
Because,
the back is Bam Bam.
Bam.
BP,
Yes.
Why so?
Yeah, because that's first time when I saw Indonesian football, of course, especially at Timnas.
Yes.
And it's the first tournament that I ever see.
Right.
And we have a lot expectation for Indonesian football. But yeah, they're on the final we lost against Malaysia. But
So you're a big fan of BP, eh?
BP, of course, yes. And I'm also Jackmania and Persija.
Wow.
All right,
Why
okay.
Beppe in particular?
Explains a
Beppe.
lot.
Yeah, and he
Why?
scored twice against Thailand, and that's an important match, of course. But yeah, the goal is from penalty, but I think that's the important win, yeah, Pak Joko, yeah, the 3-point that bring us to semi-final, and yeah, that's the special design. Have a special design also at the front. You can see the big Garuda.
Yes.
This is the big Garuda,
Yeah,
the symbol of our country.
Exactly. I like full body.
yeah.
Garuda.
And at the same time, there's also the signature. How did you get his signature at the time?
To be honest, that's I found it on Marketplace. Yeah, like a few years ago, so I found it only in 500,000. 500,000, yeah. But now I think that's very expensive, yeah. Very expensive.
Very
for
expensive
today.
for
Can I ask how much?
Yes.
Yeah.
How much did you get?
Yeah,
500,000
500,000.
in that year.
in
Yes.
that year.
that
Alright,
year.
okay.
But
At the
now,
time,
of
it's
course,
about 3 million.
3 million.
2 or
Like
3
today.
million.
Yes,
Yes.
today.
Wow. And what about
Alright.
your favorite, Joko? Which one?
I think this one.
This one.
This one
This
here.
black
Can
one.
you explain more about this? Like
Yes.
which year?
Yes. This one is a 1998.
1998. What
Yes,
happened at the time? What's the story
When at the time,
behind this jersey?
Indonesian national team
Yes.
against Cambodia and win 8-0.
8
Yeah.
This is from the
That-
goalie,
yeah.
right?
Yes.
Look at this.
Yeah.
The goalie at that time was
Sahari.
Sahari.
So he cleans it.
And also
Yeah.
the design is very unique, yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Why so?
Because it's different compared to other version, is it?
No, I think that's only the one.
Yeah, at that time, in under 2000, the jersey is very unique, very colorful lah.
Yeah.
For
the
goalkeeper, yeah.
For a
All right,
goalkeeper.
yeah.
For a
Oh,
goalkeeper.
because usually a goalkeeper is not so prominent. I mean, they don't look so prominent. Is that it? I mean, it's like I'm completely.
Because in my opinion,
Yes.
the goalkeeper should be different compared to other
Yes,
players,
that's
right?
right.
Yes.
But this design, this is actually the first time I see this design. I didn't realize that back in the 1998
Yes, okay.
it was like this, but yeah, this is a nice
This
design.
is cool,
Marissa.
right?
Yeah,
I
very
know.
colorful.
Yeah, there you go.
But you know, back to your history, like
Okay.
maybe Mas Joko first.
Yes.
How did you start all of this? Like, how did you start collecting jerseys.
Yes.
How long ago was it?
Initially, I collected club jersey.
Yes.
I'm a fan of AC Milan.
Hey,
Club.
Milan.
And then I also like to watch national game. Yeah, national game. Go to stadium, and then we wear national. So we wear jersey, right?
Yeah.
And then. I start only a few and then meet some friend collector, and we discuss about national team jersey.
What year was that at the time?
At the time we have a dream Indonesian jersey museum.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This
That's
was
a good
back
vision.
In Japan Stadium,
Yes.
they have it.
Yes.
They had it.
Yes.
Yeah, the jersey. So we and about a friend collector too. We join. We discuss about how to find.
Yes.
Especially the old one.
The old one.
Those ones.
What is the old one from here? The oldest one.
Oh,
Oh,
this
that
one.
one.
Yes, this
Oh
one.
my God!
Wow.
Tell
Look
us
at that.
about this one. Siswanto Edi
Yes.
Syahputra.
Yeah, and we got it from the player directly. And
Yes.
76, is it?
76, yes. This is the oldest jersey that we ever had in our community in KJTI.
Okay.
And also we have another one. This,
It's true, right? 76 or 75?
70.
79, sorry.
This is
79.
79. Oh, Timnas Junior 1976.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you see how retro this is? Look at
Yeah,
this.
look at the color.
And also the badge.
Also the badge, yeah.
It's
This is the real color, right?
amazing.
Like, is this
Yes.
not because of it's long time, so it changed? No, right?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be like this,
To be
right?
honest, we don't know the real color. Maybe white. And
Maybe white.
Yeah, maybe
Oh, all right,
white.
okay.
Time. And then it became a little bit yellowish because of time.
Yeah.
And what about that one? Tell
this
us
is
about that one.
Can you
Also-
focus
oh,
on
yeah.
that one, please? Okay. Okay,
Then-
right in the front. Yeah, you can get it. Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
How about that one
So
there?
this is the special jersey. So this is from 90.
World Cup under 20.
79.
World Cup
79.
World Cup under
79.
20 when Indonesia met Argentina and also Argentina Maradona playing in that match.
Yes.
Yes.
I remember.
Yeah.
This is the home version, right?
This is a home
Yes.
version,
Okay.
but we lose 5-0 from Argentina in under 20 World Cup.
Well, against Maradona. man.
Against Maradona, man. Exactly.
Maradona scored 2 goals.
Okay, how did you get these two
Yeah.
old ones?
Yeah,
like this is really old, like 70 something. How did you get it?
To be honest, this is not our work. Yeah, this from our captain, captain of
Yes.
community, Mr.
Yes.
Budi Pras.
KJTI.
Yeah, I think he came here early before
Yeah.
us in few episodes.
This one
Yes.
is belong to one of another founder, Budi Prasetyo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Budi Prasetyo, yeah. He
get it from
got this from Croatia.
Croatia.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
At that time, in the group is Yugoslavia and Argentina and Indonesia.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
this one Bambang Nurdiansah
Yes.
swept with Yugoslavia.
The end of the game. The end of the match.
Game, yeah.
They swap. Okay.
Yeah, they swap, and
That
then
is so cool.
the son of the player, and then
Gave
put it on eBay.
eBay.
Yeah.
Oh my
All right, that's how they get it. All
That's
right.
how you got it.
All right.
So, and what about you, Gerardo? I mean, when did you start collecting and why? What's the reason behind collecting?
To be honest, I started collection from 2018.
Yes.
Because that time I started work, so I have enough money for buying. But when I buy to in that time I buy from a season 2014 because Indonesia using a same jersey from 2014 until 2018.
I see.
Then because after that there's I think last time two series before now.
Yeah.
The last two
Yeah.
before Nike end contract with Indonesia.
Yes.
And Nike do a discount for jersey. And
Okay.
I buy first price is 250.
250,000.
Why do you collect? Because, you know, I'm sure there's a personal reason why you collect jerseys, right?
Yeah, when I back in school, I was watching Indonesian League, and I think I always aware with the jersey that player use. Yeah, I think like maybe there's a different. Sometimes there's a difference between the one player and another player,
Yeah.
and I notice about it.
Oh.
Yeah, since that I was watching and I looking. Maybe there's a different or unique thing at that other field.
Yeah.
And I started to draw jersey in myself. Yeah,
Alright.
I want to create a jersey, but I start correct for my school team.
Yes.
And after that,
adorable.
I more interesting. I have more interesting about football jersey, and I start to, when I was school, I cannot buy it. Because I don't know how to buy.
Yeah.
Should I come to
Or at
the
least
store?
the real one. The real one is expensive compared to like the knockoff, right?
That's why my first jersey is I buy at 2018.
2018.
That's sweet.
But were you actually a big fan of other clubs other than national team back then?
No.
Like Mas Joko here is AC Milan, right? How about you?
I like AS Roma and also Italia.
Okay.
Italia.
None of those actually. Mine is Barcelona and Real Madrid.
I see Spain. So how do we, like, for example, right? I am a total amateur in jersey. And I always wonder, which one is the real jersey and which one is the knockoff? How do we differentiate between the two?
Between the fake and the real one?
Yes.
There's so much thing because the fake one is, every time you find the fake jersey, you will find a different material. There's a little bit same with the real one, but sometimes they make like another badge, another color.
Yes.
Color then.
Oh, so it's never really like just the same.
And it's easy for us or for you guys to acknowledge it, like which one is the real one and the fake one.
Yes.
Because now fake ones can be so close
Yeah, it
to
can
the
be
real
so close.
ones.
So how do we know, Mas Joko?
I think the first one is we must know the original one.
Okay.
So KJT is always campaign it. The apparel is the one to use produce to make some supporter version is the cheapest. The cheapest. So I think fans should buy this, not fake one.
Yeah, of course. Because but this is the thing. We need to know which one is the real one and which one is the fake one, right?
I think it is the material.
Material.
Yeah,
okay.
material.
How do we differentiate the material?
Yeah, the material.
The fabric.
The fabric and usually the detail. In this one is maybe different color.
Right.
Yeah.
And then the logo is material is very different.
Yeah. The material is higher quality.
Yeah, and for your information, the current apparel, they have a hologram system.
Yeah. Right now.
Can we show to the audience?
Yes. Please show it.
Yeah.
Can you zoom it a little bit there? That one.
So this is, if you want the real one, you need to have a look inside. There's a hologram system.
Yeah, you can scan it and they will give you the
Okay. So even the originals, they have different grades, right?
Yes.
Could you just explain what the different grades are?
So basically they have 3 grades. This is the third
top
grade.
one.
The
The lowest.
We call it supporter version. So the division is for rich, like low,
mid to low
cheap price.
economy.
Yes.
This is only 200,000.
200,000.
Yeah.
And this is the 3rd grade. And the 2nd grade would be?
The 2nd grade is, we call it replica.
Replica.
Or the replica of the jersey that the players would...
Yes, but there's not that player worn on the match. Because,
of course,
Yeah,
the design is the same with player issue, but the detail is different.
Okay.
Yeah, especially on the bats.
Yeah.
At the bats. They have a rubber material.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. And then the top one.
The top one is player issue.
We call it player issue. The specification is same.
Yeah.
This is...
I can see the difference from here. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
It's more shiny. And this one as well.
And material,
Yeah.
The color.
Yeah. Color.
Then how much for the top one here?
The top one is current is
1.3.
1.3. And the mid one?
The mid one is 500. Sorry, 600.
600.
600.
Yeah.
All right.
And what about there's another category called match war?
Oh, match war.
Yeah. Which one is that?
Match war is the jersey that the player used, and then maybe the player gave it to the family or the fans.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so that's a literally.
So it's pre-loved. Match war is pre-loved.
Used.
Right? Basically, this one player issue, but worn in the match.
Worn in the match.
And you know, like how much if we can get that from probably from
even
the rep
higher.
or normally?
Yeah, different jersey have a different place to
Value?
Yeah, different value and also different place to we get it.
But the range, do you know, like?
Range that depend on the moment and the years. Yeah.
But for matron, for us collector is more valuable if you get from the player.
Yeah, of
Yes.
course. Of course.
For free.
Yeah, yes.
Is that what you meant? You can get it from the players
Yes.
for free?
Oh, for free.
I don't think it would. Yeah.
No, no, no.
And I'm so curious with this one. This one is so
Very vintage,
vintage.
yeah.
If it's sold, how much would it be? A jersey like this?
I
10?
think more than 30
30 million.
30 million.
Wow.
Pak Joko?
Are you sure?
So it's
Around
about $2,000.
For collector is I think is very value because it's
Yeah.
only
Value.
one.
Yeah, that's true.
So it could be more than 30.
Yeah,
huh?
sometimes for the jersey and in a collector, in
Yeah.
a collector,
Yes.
We want barter with motorcycle or something. Yeah.
Hang on,
like
which
that.
motorcycle? I mean, is it Harley Davidson or, you know?
Yeah, sometimes like that because
Wow.
the owner is very hard to.
Yeah, of course, to let
Let
go.
it
So
go.
there's
Okay,
no
okay.
chance, guys. No chance that you're going to get this.
But you know, you mentioned about eBay and then your connection with the other
Yeah.
collectors or the
Yeah.
community.
Yes.
But did you get any from auction, for example?
Correction is
Action,
Lelang.
Lelang.
I think mostly eBay on and right now is in
social media.
social media.
Social media, they have
Social media, they have,
a lot of platform, maybe like in the Twitter, on the X now, we call it X.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
a many account to do auction.
Auction.
Yeah, to
okay.
do auction. So sometimes they do auction from a random jersey. There is a Indonesian national team also, maybe from the another European, and maybe start from a different range. Maybe in this account they start from 0, and another account start from 100. That's a different.
Yeah.
Depend on the on the platform.
Tell us about the competition, the jersey designing competition. What's that?
Oh, about the current.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
for the next year. For the
Yeah.
next. Yeah, I think that's a good movement from the current apparel, but I think it's better. I think it's better if they make their own. Yeah, they don't need the they don't need the competition because I think that's a new, but maybe nice to have. I think.
Nice to have, but you
Yeah.
prefer
Yeah.
they decided
Yes,
from
yes.
the top ones.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Because we know it's very a lot of football designer in Indonesia, and they make a good product also before this, and you can choose one from them, and they will make a good
Design.
design.
All right. Okay. So you mentioned you started from year 2018.
2018 for buying, but for aware about a football jersey since I'm at the primary school.
Primary school. So how many jersey do you have?
Maybe more than 200, I think.
200.
200, I think.
Wow. And all.
200?
200, yes. Sir.
Wow, that's a lot. I haven't asked Mas Joko here because he started earlier.
I think he have more than
Of
me.
course.
Yes, because he
How
started
many
earlier
jerseys
than
do
me.
you have? An all-Indonesian team, right?
No, you mix
No,
with Europe.
I already have. I had AC Milan in my
Yeah.
in club jerseys,
Yes.
but 400.
400.
400, 500.
And
Wow.
like the total is 400
Yeah,
for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you mentioned about you had a vision or
Yes.
dream to build, what do you call it, museum,
Museum,
right?
KJTI, yeah.
So
KJTI dream.
are you actually in the middle of doing that to achieve that goal or not?
Yes, sure. We KJTI, we started slowly. So right now we go to show our collection with. We join event,
usually
sport event. We join it. We show to wear some people that I hope someday we can.
Maybe-
make it.
Someday soon, we
Maybe
hope, right?
Minister Erick Thohir can,
Yeah.
can
We hope
support,
so
right?
too.
Because he has, or he used to, or he still does have a football team, right?
Yes.
But in Europe as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to hear more stories about the jersey. You've already mentioned this one, which was worn by Bambang Pamungkas. What about this one, Aji, number 3? What year
It
and what was
looks older.
the story?
I think
older.
that's,
Marisa, how about
Oh,
the one?
Which
first
one?
is ladies.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this one.
yeah.
This one
Jenna.
here.
This
This is a new one.
Women team now.
Yes,
Yeah,
there's
but this is new one,
match
right?
one, match
Yeah.
one from the defender player that play an IFF Championship. Sorry, IFF Cup.
Okay.
There you go. This
Yes.
was worn by our
By
female
Jenna.
player, Jenna.
Jenna.
Yeah.
What's the story?
Signed by her as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's the first tournament for Jenna, and Jenna play on the senior team. They play on the first match against Cambodia, but Jenna just play until 20 minutes, I think, because she's got injured. Yeah, she's got injured, and now he still on the recovery for the injured before he came back to the football.
Yeah.
And yeah, I know Jenna very well. So after she's back to Indonesia, I asked her to her jersey. Can you give me the match one? Because Jenna is with me since Jenna at 12 years old.
12 years old.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
you're childhood friends.
No. I'm 26 years old now. Jenna. Yeah, Jenna is
Sorry.
still 17 maybe.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, but I found Jenna on the football event, and then I guide her into the professional.
Oh,
And there's some on the left as well, Marisa.
Yes, exactly.
Like I think that's
Which
women's
one?
team as well,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Safira
Yeah.
Ika.
Yes, Safira.
Safira Ika.
Okay, what's
Yeah.
the story
Which year is
behind
that?
this? Safira Ika.
First time that I want to know more about the women's football, the first player that I know is Safira Ika.
Okay.
Safira Ika is the captain from the national team. Maybe not for now, for the
Of course,
for the
yeah, at the
previous
time, yeah.
for the previous team. And
Yeah.
I
What
like
makes her an excellent player in your
excellent
view?
player. Yeah.
Why? Why do you think she's an excellent player?
Because she came from the because that at that moment she's a captain. So I read the story more about Safira Ika on the Google.
Yes.
Safira Ika meet so many stories and struggle to her career, and I like the story.
There you
All
go.
right, inspiring story from Safira Ika. And there's some from men's as well there.
Yes.
And
which
also this one
This one.
from
Giselle.
women's media.
Oh, still women's then.
Still
Okay,
women's
okay.
player.
Is this Gisela?
Oh, that's nice.
What's
I
the
like that
story of
design.
Gisela?
Gisela score. Basically, Gisela is a futsal player, but at Asian Games she's play for a football team, national team football, and score against Maldives on the
Maldives.
first match. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The design is completely different. Look at that.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah, because the jersey is IOC jersey, the Olympic team jersey. So all
yes.
of Indonesian sport team at Asian Games in 2018 use the
With
same
that design. All right. Okay.
So in multi
Multi-event.
event,
Event.
Indonesian football,
Yes.
soccer itu use just like the other.
Yeah.
And there's a one from
This
1996.
one.
Oh, that one
no,
is a bit
this
the
one
same.
is interesting because it has so many,
So many signatures,
What's
yeah.
the story behind this one?
It's from you?
Is it Mas Joko?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you explain more about that one?
Yeah.
From what year is that?
2012.
2012.
2012. This one is I think the first time Nike apparel is Nike. Yeah.
Yeah, the apparel is Nike and
From 2007 Nike, and this one is I collect it because at that time in IFF I came to the hotel and then got
Ask for
signed.
the signatures.
Wow,
Okay.
look at that. And whose signatures are these? Mention 1, 2, 3, probably?
there's a Pamukas, I think, because
Yes, that
Pepe.
Pepe, yeah.
Pepe is there, and
and
then
also Zulham.
Oh,
Zulham and
Christian Gonzalez.
Christian
Christian Gonzalez.
many more. Ahmad Bustomi also.
That's amazing. Wow.
and there's another one also interests me is that the 1996
The blue one.
Oh,
Yes.
this is the fantasy from their ex apparel. So they have a campaign for support the ex player, and they remake again. The design is references from the 1998
Ah,
jersey,
okay.
and they make it. The design is actually same with the 1990.
I like it. Yeah, it's so
Indonesia,
different.
right in the heart. There
Yes.
we go. Fascinating, boys.
All right,
Wow.
so with this collection, what can you say for Indonesian football team fans or aspiring jersey collectors? Is there any message for them? Mas
Yes.
Joko?
Yes, sure. We trying to educate Indonesian Garuda fans,
Yes.
to buying original one.
Original one.
So we have a campaign, jargon lah ya, jargon. Satu orang satu jersey original timnas.
Okay, one person, one
Yes.
original jersey. All right, okay.
Yes.
How about you?
Yeah, the important thing is she's buying the original. You know, should buy the official one because we have so many local apparel. They always make fantasy, we call it fantasy jersey, and the price is very cheap. This so close with the fake one, so I think it's better you buying the original.
Yeah, that's
you know, should buy the official. You can buy the alternate from the local apparel. They maybe the price is around 150, around that is 150
Yes.
because as I now in the, if you find the seller, fake seller around the stadium when Indonesian game,
Yes.
the price is very high now.
Oh, very high.
Right,
All right.
right.
Very
So-
low. That's the fake. The fake is so expensive, so I think better
By
buy
the original.
the original.
See, guys, so that's the
Yeah.
message from
Yeah.
these two guys.
Yeah.
Buy the original ones.
And you know, for me, who doesn't know much about football, I've enjoyed this conversation very much
you.
because I just love the story behind these jerseys.
Yes.
World of football.
Okay.
Best of luck. Best of luck.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
And well, we will see the museum soon, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
So
hopefully.
let's pray for
Pak
that.
Erick Thohir. Maybe you
Thank
can
you.
support.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Alright.
guys, thank you so much for being
Okay.
here in the
Yes.
show.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you.
All right, now time for break, Marisa.
Yes, indeed. We will return. We'll bring you more stories from around the world.